So, hey guys, welcome to this course. And in this course, we are quickly going to cover what is WordPress, how you can install your own WordPress website on the server and take it online, how you can buy a domain, where you can find, and everything about domains. And then we are going to explore all the features available in WordPress so that at the end of this course, you can easily set up your own WordPress website, blog, or maybe e-commerce. So e-commerce is a little bit advanced in which you will need to add products and set prices and all that. Yeah, so we are not going to cover that currently. I want I wanted to create a really basic course so that you have a basic understanding of WordPress and all the features it has. So in simple terms, I have packed everything like how to go from basic, how to buy domain, how to buy hosting, and then how to create a post, how to upload a media page, comments, and everything. So these plugins and settings, I've explained everything in the course itself. And so at the end of this course, I myself created this website for you guys so that I can write my blogs here, and I'll be writing about everything I explained in this course. So at the end of this course, you will find an article here where you will find all the resources. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn how to use the Udemy interface. So, if this is your first time on Udemy, you will see an interface something like this. So, if this is your first time on Udemy, you will see an interface just like this. On the left hand, we have the video player, just like YouTube. We have the course title here, and if you want to read a course, you can leave a rating here. So this will track your progress, like how many videos you have completed till now, and you can actually share this course with your friends using this share button. So in the video section, in the video player, we have actually many options below here. I will be explaining them to you. First, we have the play button. We can play with this. So we can play this using this. So we can play the videos using. So this is a video player. Here we have, if you want to go back, here, if you want to go forward 5 seconds, you can click here. If you want to increase or decrease the playback speed, you can change the settings from here. So this is a sound option. You can mute and increase or decrease volume from here. So this is actually a transcript offered by these speakers. These are the captions generated by Udemy. You can change the font size of the caption, background opacity, and all that. So these on the setting icon, you can change the video quality. Here is 1080 pixel. If you want to go to full screen, you can click here. If you want to expand the video to the full width, you click on here, and this is the default. So below our videos, we have about this course, or about how many students are there, how many lectures are there, what is the total duration of the course, and then we have a Q&A. So Q&A is how many questions are asked in this course. You can find all the questions here, so which are asked. So you don't have. So if you have any question, you can always go to Q&A, and you don't have to ask the same question again, which are asked by the students. So these are the note. These are you can actually create a note here. Like you can point important locations, important points in the video. These are the announcements which are made by the author. So here on the right side we have every section. In section we have different videos. This is like just this is just like index on your on any ebook you see index page. So this is just like index page. In every index we have different chapters. Yeah, that's it for Udemy interface. Udemy is not that complicated. If you know how to use YouTube, you can definitely use Udemy. It's so easy. So yeah, that's it.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the course, and in this lecture we are going to learn about WordPress. For you, I have already opened wordpress.com and wordpress.org. Now, what is wordpress.com and what is wordpress.org? I'm going to tell you the basic difference. Just like Google, wordpress.org is an organization which has a software which is called WordPress. WordPress is a content management system. So whenever we develop a site, we need backend and front end and someone to manage that for us. You will hire an expert developer to do it for you, but they will charge you very large amount because it is really hard to code everything from scratch and from basic level. So this is where WordPress comes in help, because WordPress offers you easy to start WordPress website. In just few clicks you can start creating your website. You can create websites for yourself, you can create blogs for yourself, you can create websites for your clients and charge them money for your premium services. Many businesses around the world are running on WordPress because of its fast scalability and feature extensibility. WordPress offers so many cool features like plugins, themes, which are easy to modify, which are easy to customize, which are easy to modify, which you can use to customize the website or your business fully according to your needs, according to your customer needs. So this is where the WordPress comes in hand. Here you can see WordPress.com is maintained by WordPress.org. WordPress.org maintains all the WordPress code, WordPress updates, WordPress plugins, themes. All the code is hosted by WordPress.org. WordPress.com is a demo site which is maintained by WordPress.org. Now I hope you have basic understanding of what is WordPress and what it can do. So that's it for this lecture. I will meet you in the next one.